Hold on to your hats because we nickeled and dimed ourselves to death again. In the FILE196 section within our loading function, we made some fixes. So in the loop where we loop through every single room in our level pack and then loop through every single pixel in our file format here, we changed this from 192 to 196, and then also this logic was completely fucked. We fixed it. This is the bit packing logic. And let's go down to the next section. So right here, has tile greater than or equal to 1. We added this little guard around this call, and then also these two parameters needed an I in front of them for input. Then we have this else block where we're not doing anything. So we just added guards around this call and fixed this call. We're still inside of the loader function. Okay, next section. In the FILEPunk function section, if we scroll all the way down here to the async bullshit, inside of our PNG of any size loading, and 2 callbacks deep where we finally have all of the file information. If we scroll down here, we fix this to 512 and 512 rather than 512 or 512. This is our classic file format loading. And then down here is our new 196 by 196 format. So we have to make sure it's exactly 196 by 196 pixels. We're going to do our bit blitting here so that we can paste into our static memory allocation. And then we're going to get some shorthand variables right here. And then we're going to hard code to the central level pack. And then we're going to use our loader function to load the 196 format into the main memory, pix2048, at this hotel location. Also, we did a bug fix here. These were ORs, they're now ANDs, and this was a 0, now it is a 1. And let's go down to the next section. So in API put, we added a whole bunch of bug checking here. This is the lower bounds checking. Here is the upper bounds checking. And then if we scroll down here a little bit more, we have error checking for the data pixel component address. Sorry, not the pixel component, the XY pixel address. So we bug checked the bounds of that. And then here's what we did previously, and then a whole bunch of footnotes we had to fix because we made stupid mistakes. And here's what we did in this video. So like and subscribe, send money in the mail. My name is Kanji Coder. If you want a longer explanation, go here to the Ninja Coder playlist. You are here on the advanced playlist, and we just don't have any fucking time on this playlist. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm working on Atomic Ivy MMO. It's a fully destructible fractal geometry bomb game using proximity mines that explode vertically, horizontally, and 4-way. Like and subscribe.